Hello, Assalamualaikum. Lama gila tak buat video. Masa macam-macam lah lepas SEL punya problem itu. Kali ni aku nak share pasal ada projek nak buat backsplash. Ini area kecil. Dulu dekat sini, area ni expose ni bahagian belakang rumah aku kan. So ada sikit-sikit kita nak extend. Dan ni akan jadi dapur lah. So dapur asal sebelum ni belah dalam. So kita nak buat wet kitchen belah luar, dalam nak jadi dry kitchen. Plan dia kawasan situ nanti nak pasang hood macam biasalah, ada cabinet sikit. Dan bawah tu nak buat backsplash dah 2 kaki. Okay, so kawasan ni aku tengah kikir sikit bagi clear kan. Aku dah beli backsplash pas jenis macam ni. Dan aku tak pakai simen lagi, nak pakai drum ni. Sebab apa nanti aku beritahu sambil buat kerja lah. Okay. Backsplash ni wife saya lah dibeli dekat nanti saya share tu punya tu jubin cantik outfit dia dekat Kajang sama dekat apa Destination Aris ni dekat Sarjana Impian. So saya try share kali ni, harap bagi manfaat kepada yang betul-betul tak ada idea ataupun nak DIY sendiri tau. Kalau siapa dah pro lagi semua maybe nampak video ni macam no point pun, tapi percayalah ada orang yang memang tak tahu apa-apa, tapi kadang-kadang as simple as macam nak pasang chalk macam ni pun jadi hal. Jadi kalau aku nak beli macam saya beli satu bahagian, tengoklah saya dapat murah, saya dapat satu RM12 kan, macam yang ni kita kena ada chalk gun lah, chalk dan CAULK chalk kalau siapa tak tahu lah. Masukkan dia. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.